I am delighted to tell you that the stage 3 construction process of the Abtc pilot plant has commenced.
Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.
What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope, of course, you're all well. Today's video is just going to be a very quick update on Abtc, American Battery Metals / Technology. Sooner that ticker symbol change, the better. And as I said at the start, stage 3 construction process has begun, and I'm really excited about this. As you know, I'm a surveyor, quantity surveyor, and the whole construction process, I've just been really pumped about getting to this process with Miles Construction. I've went on site. We go to their Twitter page. We have this lovely video that came out. I'm sure most of you have seen it about 10 days ago, but I will share it now for your viewing pleasure. I love the heartbeat, love the anticipation there. Got me pumped. Did it get you pumped? I loved it. We've also got this huge congrats to our member Abtc company on closing a $39.1 million funding round for the construction and commissioning of its non-thermal integrated lithium-ion battery recycling plant, the first of this kind in the USA. And for those that are new, we'll just have a quick read at this. It's expected to fully fund the company through the construction and commissioning of its Nevada-based 20,000 metric ton per year battery recycling plant. Includes the sales of an aggregate of 25,389,611 shares of its common stock and warrants at a purchase price of $1.54 per share in the registered direct offering. The closing of the amount is expected to occur on and around September 29th, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. And when they do these offerings, as we know on the channel, it does make the share price drop. So we'll just look at the chart. You can see here the share price sunk, but it's not done too bad. It's better than I thought. However, on the day chart, we have got a sell signal coming in on the 4th of October, and it has went down to sitting in pre-market further down 4.7%. So it is disappointing that it has dipped, but again, as a long-term shareholder, I'm not worried, not concerned. We have the funding now to completely take away any risks. We can build the site, and that is the key thing. And I'm fully on board with everything that Abtc and Ryan Meltzert, especially what he has done over the last month. I think he's made great progress. Again, going into the previous videos, I've shared all about it. But we can see we are well below averages. We fell below the 9-day moving averages. So in terms of a swinger, and I'm talking about trading obviously here, I wouldn't be buying anything right now. I'd be holding until we get above the 9-day moving average, as that is my swing trade. But if someone new to the channel is looking to buy into Abtc, you know, you can see if you look back, we have had highs of nearly $5 a share, down at 142. These are reasonable prices for the stock that you're getting. There's no reason why you couldn't stick your toe in the water, most certainly. But just be wary that we did see lows way back in April and in around the $1 mark. So you're not getting at the high prices. You stick a toe in the water, phase in, the usual strategy, but this should be a long hold, and really buying in and around 140 isn't going to be a bad thing in a few years' time, trust me. Going back to the Twitter page then, we had an update on LinkedIn, which I'll bring up now. It's been just from Ryan. He just goes on to say how exciting it's been over the past year. He said he's very happy to be working with Abtc, and then he talks about the patents, applications for our technologies, composites and systems for selected lithium leaching and related methods, systems and methods for lithium extraction from sedimentary deposits. Not an expert, not going to lie and say I know exactly what that means, but it's obviously the systems at a high level, and this is good that they're putting in patents. Patents will allow us to have unique access to this technology, and only us, if the patents go through, that will lock us into something very special for many years to come. But the real exciting thing of the video here, October 8th, came out on Friday, and you know I don't like to work on Friday, so this is why it's coming to you today. What a difference 24 hours makes. And if we look at this then, you can see the before and the after. They have completely and utterly stripped down the ground, and the next stage now will be foundations. We will see the progress on the site, and I have a funny feeling we're going to see a lot of this. And just for everyone to know, they're now on Instagram. On the back of this, they've set up an Instagram page. Get on, get following, as I have done. Very exciting. We're going to have loads of more updates, and that is probably the main reason why they've set up the Instagram, so we can get plenty more progress pictures like the ones we see here. APT has begun initial site work to build the first first non-thermal integrated lithium-ion recycling plant in the United States, and that came out on the 6th of October as well. And just to bring it back to the website, we looked into this months and months ago on the channel, but we can see here they did anticipate that work would commence on the construction phase of the project. Don't forget there's 7 stages to a construction process. Stage 1 and 2 are the boring, sort of getting it to the point. Stage 3 is where the exciting stuff happens. They build it. Stage 4 is when the tenants or whatever move in. Stage 7 is demolish. Okay, so there's a stage, but stage 3 is the key area, and that's what we're excited about. And if you look at the pilot milestones, they did say October it would start, so we're bang on target. I like that. But this is a good website just for anyone new to the channel. Go on, have a look at it. The website is very, very good for giving us those updates that we are seeking. Just as another high level, grading's done. And the shell permits should be very, very soon, which is another stage that we're looking for. So there's a lot happening with Abtc. I'm really happy with the progress. Share price is not great. Nobody's going to be too happy with that. But if you're a long holder like me, you should be looking at these opportunities and going, let's fill up now, because $1.40 a share in a year or so's time is going to look like a steal. So don't be wary. If anyone is fearful, don't be. It is all good. You're investing in a great growth stock, and that key thing is growth. That's the video. Hope you found it informative. If you have, like, subscribe. Please leave any comments down below. Any insider knowledge on Abtc is greatly welcomed, and I will be bringing you more updates very, very soon. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day. Hit like, subscribe if you want to support the channel. There's crypto links down there. There's Coinbase links down there, free shares down there, and also there's the opportunity to buy me a coffee, and I'll give you a shout out. Till then,
Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.